reselling for $58,000 hot top version. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage, back with another video with the missus.
Were you thinking about it?
Cause I didn't know what to call you. Cause you know you got a YouTube channel, but you ain't posted a video in 2 years. But I ain't saying nothing. Damn! I'm gonna sip my, what they say? I'm gonna sip my tea.
Boy, whatever. Anyways.
You gonna tell me what we're doing today? You brought the idea up. She brought the idea up. So
I thought it would be a good idea for me to try to guess the retail price. No, resale prices of some of Derek's shoes, because
not just my shoes, even shoes I don't got either.
Oh, okay. So of sneakers, period. One day Derek showed me a price for I don't even remember what shoe it was, but it was ridiculous. Yeah, I'm gonna bring that shoe back on this video because I know exactly what shoe she's talking about. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. We're on that grind of 20K, man. 20K to grind, right? 20K. 20K is coming. So close to 15K.
I know, we so close. Like, y'all playing games. You two playing games, man. It's YouTube's fault. But let's get right into the video, man. Let's get it. Okay, so the first sneaker I want to show her, and the reason I brought this show here because it's a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, a little twist to it, you feel me? So we have a pair of off-white Zoom flies. You know what off-whites, everybody already think the retail is either hella high or just you not buying them, you think about buying them. But we have these, and I want her to guess what I pay for them or what she think the market is going for them right now. So it's the first pair.
Oh, so you're not going to even tell me retail price for them? Nah,
I'm going to let you look at them, and I'm gonna let you guess what you think. What you think hype beasts are looking at right now? What you think they want to get?
I know.
Here, get on this side. Get on this side. This is my good side. This is my good side.
Okay. So I know off-whites are like hype right now.
Yeah,
I actually want a pair of off-whites. I never did that.
What?
It's like a blue and white pair. I think they're ones. Are they ones?
No, the UNC ones.
Those things are nice.
Yeah, the UNC. She wanted the UNC ones. Me too. I should have got them.
Them crazy, huh?
Yeah, them just dope.
Yeah. Okay. So I think that these would retail.
No, resale. What's in the resale?
No, I'm trying to get the the thoughts in my head. So I think they would retail. Can you tell me if I'm warm or if I'm just cold? Okay.
Okay.
I think they would retail for about $200.
Yes. Hey, I don't know.
You don't know what you paid for them?
No, I know how much I paid for them. I said the resale. I don't know the retail. I know the resale.
Oh, you got it for resale price?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I would say they resell around $250. Can I say a range or I have to say a number?
Say a price.
$250 to $290. So
right now the Zoom flies are going for $300. This one. I'm sweating. Hold on. Really, nigga? So back from the intermission, $300 right now, which is, I thought it was crazy. I thought any off-white would be going for crazy prices. I didn't even think. Why are you so close to me? God dog.
Because I can't see myself. I don't know.
Yo, just look at this. Like me personally, I thought this shoe was gonna be going for like no off-white's going for lower than $500, and I got this shoe for I'm lying. I got this shoe for like $350, and I ended up spending about $400 all together for like shipping and all that good stuff. So I spent $400 on these.
Are you fucking cute?
All
you
together.
Serious?
Yeah, all together. Shipping and then plus shipping. Yeah. So off-white. So let's get to the next sneaker. Okay, the next shoe we have is my favorite pair of Foamposites in my collection. We have the Galaxy 2.0s. Got these from StockX as well. And the resale right now is not what I got these for, and I can tell you that straight up. So I want you to get the shoe. They retail for $250, but I want you to guess the resale.
It's way lower, huh?
You think it's lower than $250?
No, I don't think resale will be lower than retail, huh? That's stupid. I love these shoes. I think they're going for, I want to say not too crazy, $400.
I got them for $500.
You got them for $500? You just said
they retail for $250. I got them for $500. How you getting that mixed up?
This nigga drops bread on the sneakers, don't you?
Oh, let me show you the resale.
$500.
So right now the lowest ask for these shoes right here is $1,090. Crazy. I spent $500 on them. I spent $500 on them. So yeah, that's these, my babies. Okay, the next shoe we have is the Air Jordan 11 Jeters. These are the lowest, but I want her to picture this shoe in a hot top version. I want her to guess what she thinks is going for the market on the market. So here go the shoe right here. The highs is the same shoe, besides it's high.
Right.
Same thing.
Right.
And yeah, I want you to guess the resale on those things.
Can you tell me retail?
I pay retail $175 for these, or $200 retail. And high tops, I don't even think they officially released. So yeah, that's to give you another little hint. They didn't even release.
$200 retail.
Retail, yeah. What do you think the resale is?
Look at the fucking material and the shoestrings.
Dope.
Hell yeah, this is worth $200 because it's good ass material.
But what about resale?
Resale.
High top version, same material and everything.
If they're going for $200, I'm gonna go with, don't laugh. I'm gonna go with $600. Yeah.
Ooh, she's pretty close, you guys.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, you gotta put that little.
What is it?
I gotta put that. Y'all gotta focus in on that. That is crazy.
Is it 1,000 something?
She think it's 1,000. This shoe is reselling for $58,000. Hot top version.
Are you fucking serious?
Dead
People
ass.
will pay that. You think somebody would pay for that?
Dead ass. 58 bands.
Isn't that a fucking vehicle? You can get a vehicle.
It's more than a vehicle. You can get about 4 vehicles.
Wow.
Yep. So
wow.
Yeah, $58,000. The Air Jordan 11 Retro Premium. The Derek Jeters, man. So let's get into the next one.
I'm scared to go to the next one.
Okay, the next shoe we have, I'm gonna insert a picture. I'm gonna show her a picture as well. Is the Air Jordan 3 We the Best, the red colorway from DJ Khaled. I want her to guess the resale on those. They have not officially released, but you can kind of like guess DJ Khaled, Jordan Brand collaboration. And I want you to guess.
Hypebeast shit.
Yeah, Hypebeast. So there you go right there. They got We the Best on the back.
They're
and
ugly.
you think they're ugly?
They're fucking ugly. Aren't those threes?
They threes, yeah.
I hate threes.
Alright, so what do you guess the resale is?
DJ Khaled.
Yeah, DJ Khaled. He
We the Best.
Yeah, he like signed by them.
If those are 58, I don't think they're as much as those.
Tell me.
I'm stuck. Okay. So if those 58, I'm gonna highball this, okay? I'm gonna say 20,000.
20 bands?
Yeah.
I don't think they're going for that much.
If those are 58, you think? Okay, wait. No, I think I'm gonna go with 20.
You highballed it. It's okay. $13,500.
That's still crazy.
Check it out. 13,500 of them things.
That was pretty close. That's crazy.
That's more than your car.
That's crazy.
Right? You walking in a shoe that costs more than like a car. Like,
who would do that?
An average car.
For those.
I think they dope.
I don't like that.
I wouldn't spend, like, I think they dope, but I wouldn't spend that. Of course, I ain't gotta say I wouldn't spend it. I fucking know I ain't spending it. I won't be making videos if I spend 10 G's on a pair of shoes.
Yes, you would.
Okay, I got 2 more shoes for you guys. And these 2 shoes, I feel like it's going to give her a little twist. Like, these, what do you, she probably don't think they're going for retail. Because I'm going to tell her the retail and I'm going to have her guess the resale. Let's get into this next one. The next shoe we have is the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 1.0. The originals. The first to do it, man. The first to set the standard for all Air Jordan 1s. Kind of juice her head up, you know what I'm saying? Give her all the Carfax. So I want you to guess the resale of these. Even looking at the last sale of them. You see the last sale? Yeah. So I want you to guess which.
50K.
God damn. 50K all like that?
That's too much.
Nah, it's 1,000.
Wow! What the fuck? Why you juiced it up though?
I juiced it up.
You really fucking juiced it.
So $1,000 for the Shattered Backboards. I don't even, when this shoe first released, I feel like these shoes were sleepers. And they're going up. Just like the white and blue ones I got when I was at your mama's house when we was at Savannah. Shoes are going for like $400 right now. And they was going for like under retail on StockX before. So
that's crazy.
$1,000 for the Shattered Backboards. Let's get into, I think I got one more left. Yeah, let's get into the last sneaker. So the next shoe we're going to show her is the Air Jordan 4 Call Things. This is the shoe that I was telling her I wanted. And I want to know if she remembered or is she going to guess the correct resale. So yeah, there you go. Air Jordan 4 Calls. Check them out.
You're not going to show me retail?
Now retail is $250, $200, one or two. What do you think the resale is? And how much would you pay for it? Give me both. It's a lot of shoe.
I would pay $250 for it.
That's it?
Yeah, retail. I would not like search for these.
She not a hype beast like me.
Yeah, I wouldn't search for them and buy them for resale prices. No. The way you talking, they probably fucking. I don't want to go too high like I just did. 2,500.
I think she right.
No, I'm not.
Nah, you a little off. It's $1,300 in my size. That's just my size. I'm going off of my size. So they're going for $1,300, which I feel like these are better than the We the Best Music. But
yeah,
of course, quantity is sometimes over quality. You know what I'm saying?
With sneakers?
Like, like the lower the quantity, the more people want it. Like that's shit crazy. Yeah. But yeah, call for us. $1,300. This is a shoe I was just talking to her about. I said I want them. You gonna buy it for me? She looked at the price. She's like, "Really, nigga?" Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's it for this video. Shouts out to what's your name? Sorry. Shouts out to the wifey for coming to this video and giving me or blessing y'all with her appearance.
I like that.
You like that?
I like that.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get the video to 100 likes. This is a goal for every video. 20K to grind, man. And we're gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.